Hey, thanks for coming back to learn more about Cloudra.ai. Today, we are going to see how Cloudra.ai's Chrome extension can help you mine data from anywhere. It's super flexible and super simple, so let's get started. First of all, go to the top right corner and click on this LinkedIn icon to download the Chrome extension. You can also download this Chrome extension by simply going to the Chrome store and searching for Cloudra. Once you find the extension, just click Add to Chrome. Follow the process to set this up. Now, go to Extensions icon on the top right corner and pin Cloudra.ai's extension, and you are done. Now, let's open a LinkedIn page and go to any profile. Open the extension. For the first time, it will ask you to log in. Once you log in, just refresh the page once. And now you can see the contact information right on the page. You can either unlock the email, unlock a phone number, add to list, or directly add to a cadence. You can also see entire company information right from technologies used, intents, hiring needs, pain points, and everything else about the company right here on this page. If you have access to Sales Navigator, you can simply make your search and then open the extension. This will show all the contacts from left side onto the extension. You can even select 5 pages at a time. A bulk unlock and starts adding contacts to your cadence in one click. While doing this, just make sure that the page on which you are doing bulk unlock is the single tab on that Chrome window. You can have other Chrome windows open and multiple tabs on them. Just this window should have only one tab open. Now, let's go to the website of any company. If you just open the extension here, you will see that all the company and contact information is available right here. Super powerful, isn't it? It will make your sales prospecting super easy and super powerful.